Does eBay care if you end a listing? They don't. Does eBay care if you end more than one listing? They don't. Your listings are yours. Your account is never punished by ending listings. In a way, your account is rewarded by having more listings. The more you list, the more you're going to sell. The more you list, the more eBay recognizes that you're a more active seller. There is a small bump if you've got a larger store that you handle well over a smaller store. Or if you don't have a store yet, just a larger account, things for sale, more things for sale versus fewer things for sale. But there's absolutely no direct impact whatsoever of eBay not liking it if you end a listing. So feel free to end. A lot of reasons exist. You break it, something's in inventory and it tips over and breaks it. I just noticed I've got extremely heavy books on a fairly flimsy plastic shelf above a bunch of glassware. I need to move that. I mean, the reason I realized that is I sold one of the books from that stack and I had to lift this stack down in order to get to the book that I sold, and it was heavy. I mean, it's like these things must weigh 10 pounds. I don't know, 15 pounds, all of these books that I've got stacked up there. I should take a picture and show it to you. And it doesn't even look like that many books. You'll see, I'll take a photo. Things break, whatever. You might decide to sell it somewhere else. You might have it listed in multiple places and Facebook Marketplace sold, so you immediately want to end that listing on eBay. Remember, anytime that you list something on eBay and Mercari and or Facebook Marketplace, and I guess Merchant Fulfilled Amazon, you definitely want a note on that item. The moment you begin listing it on one of these second platforms, go get that item right then. Well, you're going to need it in order to make sure it's still okay and you described it right. If you made an eBay listing 6 months ago and it's not selling, you want to put it up on Facebook Marketplace, which is wise. I mean, if it's not selling on eBay at a fair price, try a different venue. The moment you start that Facebook Marketplace listing, you've got to believe me. Get a Post-it note or get a little piece of paper and write "also listed on Facebook Marketplace" and tape it to that item. You do not want to pull that item down after you sell it on eBay and forget that it's also for sale on another platform. I'm not big on you selling things on multiple platforms that you've only got one of. But if you do, and I've got a few things up also multiple platforms, I don't suggest it because you can really, just assume everything you do will go wrong, and that's why you put notes on it. I don't mean after you've listed it on Facebook Marketplace. I mean the moment you're about to list it on Facebook Marketplace, go get that out of inventory and tape that note right then. You've got to. Something will make you forget to do it after you list it. It will. Just trust me. That slows you down, this process, but it's a whole lot better than slowing you down when two sell on the same day. And something that is not brand new, say, and it's maybe a collectible of some sort, a minor collectible, little rarity, not huge demand. It's got a little niche market, but all of a sudden someone wants a couple of them. And where do they find them? You've only got one on eBay, that's yours. Oh, here's one on Facebook Marketplace. We'll buy them today, buy both. I think it's very likely, given the treasures that we generally sell the most of here in the group, where we make all of our money, I think generally the odds are great that some buyer might want multiples, and they're going to buy on multiple platforms. You're going to sell more than you have. So put that note on there. That's why eBay doesn't care if you do end it, and do whatever you need to do in order to manage your account. It is your account.